Alright, if you guys want to go ahead and see the mag, do some cruising, we'll fly to a place like that, we'll hunt around, see what we can see, and should be pretty good, because like I said, most of these places, 95% of them I haven't hunted at all this year, so should be good. Finish them off there. There you go.
These little suckers are harder to hit than they look.
Coyotes are a little tricky. Yeah, I promise you, we can find some pigs. You'll like shooting at the coyotes better than the pigs. The pigs are slow and straight running. Okay. Just watch them barrels, and just whenever you get some good shots there through the trees. We'll probably get out here in the open here in just a minute. Oh, good shot. That's folded him, didn't it? Good. You see where that other one went? Oh, he's out here. You're screwed. Oh yeah. Well, it was just behind and just in front and then right, just perfect. It's shooting.
I think I actually hit that one.
I think we both got him.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Good to go.
Doing good.
Not too cold? Not frozen yet?
It's a little chilly.
A little nipply? Usually once you get to shooting, it's not too bad. Kind of warm up, or especially when we get slowed down. Cruising across here is a little nipply. All right, guys, whenever y'all ready. We got a coyote over here. I'm gonna see if y'all can get him on the trot there. He might give you a shot. There you go.
He's toast.
He gone. Oh yeah. You done? Yeah? Yeah, I think you're good. There you
Neil?
Oh yeah, it's a good time.
There it is. Alright. Let's see here. There you go. I'll get that one right there. There you go. There you go. A little closer. Good shot. Two of them. Oh yeah, nice little somersault action. That's what I'm talking about. Dunsky,
He's done.
I got a surprise for y'all. Oh yeah. I've got another surprise for y'all.
Got him.
Shot.
Pig to the left.
Pig to the left. Oh, two coyotes. Get that pig. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. One right here. Oh, he's hurting. He's hurting, Jay.
He did not like that at all. To the left behind you.
Right here, I got one. You got another one back there?
Yeah, there